How to turn on screen attention feature on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The screen attention feature on Samsung phones or any other devices keep your screen awake while you're looking at it. This is handy when reading or browsing without touching your screen. Here's how to enable it. Open Settings, and from your Settings menu, you want to go ahead and find your Advanced Features. Tap on it. From Advanced Features, you want to see something similar to motions and gestures or something related to that option. Once you have done that, you can find this option called Keep Screen On While Viewing. Tap on it. You'll get this option on your screen timeout. So just go ahead and toggle this on. You can keep the screen on while you're looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. Now you can adjust the brightness and timeout. You can still select the screen timeout and brightness. Screen attention is just preventing it from turning it off while you're reading or browsing through it. Make sure your front camera is clean and unobstructed, or it may not detect your face properly. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.